Okay, we've sealed the head and we've let it set. I actually let it set up for 2 days so it gets a good bond. So we're going to sand it down, and we'll use our palm sander for the bigger areas. But for the small areas that I can't reach with the palm sander, I'm going to use this brush to smooth it down. You see that smooths it down pretty good. So we're going to use that. We'll use our palm sander for the bigger areas, and then I'll hand sand some spots that I need to hand sand. After we get this done, then we'll go back in and touch up a few spots that need to be touched back up, and then we'll move on to the next step. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.